to Friday Tech Digest. I'm your host, here to bring you the most intriguing stories from the worlds of tech, finance, and innovation. Let's dive into today's top stories. You won't want to miss this. First up, let's talk about Tesla's recent We Robot event. You might have seen videos of Tesla's Optimus humanoid robots walking, dancing, and even mixing drinks. But here's the twist. While they put on an impressive show, reports suggest that those flashy bots were actually being controlled by humans behind the scenes. According to sources, while the robots could walk on their own using AI, human operators remotely manage their conversations and movements during interactions with attendees. This has left many wondering, are we witnessing the future of AI robotics, or is it just a sleight of hand meant to dazzle investors? Now, imagine being at the event, face to face with a robot bartender. It's pouring you a drink, and its gestures and responses are almost too perfect. But then, the robot mentions it's being assisted by a human. A bit like a behind-the-scenes magic trick, don't you think? Elon Musk says the future is filled with personal robots like these, able to walk your dog, mow your lawn, or even just keep you company. But is that future closer than we think, or still a distant dream? Stay tuned, because later in the episode, I'll dig into how this might shape the robotics industry and the broader AI landscape. Next, let's turn our focus to the world of crypto, where Africa's biggest cryptocurrency platform, Yellow Card, just raised $33 million in Series C funding. Now, this isn't just another startup looking for growth. Yellow Card is pivoting from serving everyday retail customers to focusing on businesses. Why the shift? Turns out, handling retail users in the crypto world can be incredibly costly, with thin profit margins. Businesses, on the other hand, move larger sums, making this a more sustainable approach. Yellow Card's strategy has led to a surge in their transaction volumes, more than doubling from $1.7 billion to over $3 billion. And here's a fun fact for you. They're calling this new strategy, Africa as a Service. By integrating with Africa's banking and mobile money systems, Yellow Card is becoming the backbone for global companies looking to bring stablecoins to the continent. Now, here's something to think about. While crypto adoption in Africa is still small on the global scale, stablecoins are making a big difference. They offer a way for businesses to store value amidst volatile local currencies, making it easier to trade and pay for goods. This shift could transform how businesses across Africa interact with global markets, and that's a story worth watching. Switching gears to space travel, let's talk about SpaceX's Starship. After some delays and setbacks, SpaceX is gearing up for another launch attempt of its Starship rocket. This launch vehicle, which is designed to be fully reusable, aims to revolutionize space travel by making it cheaper and more accessible. The upcoming launch could be a pivotal moment for space exploration, setting the stage for missions to the Moon and even Mars. But the road hasn't been smooth. There have been failures along the way, and regulatory challenges have slowed things down. Yet, Elon Musk remains confident, saying that once Starship is operational, it will be a game changer for how humans explore space. If this launch succeeds, we could be one step closer to becoming a multiplanetary species. So, will it soar into the stars or end up back on the drawing board? Only time will tell, and I'll be keeping a close eye on it. Now, let's take a look at the AI battleground. Google recently revealed major updates to its AI assistant, aiming to compete head-to-head with ChatGPT and other AI chatbots. This evolution focuses on making Google Assistant more intuitive, with capabilities that could assist in your daily tasks. From scheduling appointments to answering complex questions in a more conversational tone. But here's where it gets interesting. Google is betting that its deep integration with Android devices and Google's ecosystem will give it an edge. Imagine asking your phone to summarize a meeting, automate a task, or even compose an email. The company is also working on expanding these features to make Google Assistant more of a co-pilot in every aspect of life. Will it be enough to stand out in an increasingly competitive AI market, or will it just be playing catch-up? Let me know what you think. And lastly, let's talk about a controversial shift in Hollywood, the rise of AI-generated content. From scripts to visual effects, AI tools are being used to speed up production and cut costs. But not everyone is on board. Writers, artists, and actors have raised concerns that AI could replace jobs or undermine creativity in the industry. Yet, there's also excitement about the potential for AI to enhance creativity. Imagine a world where directors use AI to create stunning visuals or where writers collaborate with AI to craft complex storylines. It's a double-edged sword, full of potential and pitfalls. As Hollywood grapples with these changes, it's a story that's sure to evolve in unexpected ways. Rounding off today's episode, we dive into Apple's latest innovation, the M4 chip. This next-generation processor is designed to take performance to a new level, promising to be faster and more power-efficient than ever before. With enhanced AI capabilities and a focus on machine learning, Apple is aiming to set a new standard for computing power in its Macs and iPads. The tech world is already buzzing with speculation about what this means for future devices. Could it make Macs the go-to machines for AI development and heavy computing tasks? Or is this just another incremental upgrade that tech enthusiasts will hype up? We'll see soon enough, but one thing's for sure, Apple isn't backing down in its quest to dominate the hardware market. And finally, let's talk about Microsoft's latest moves in the AI cloud services space. With a massive investment in AI infrastructure, Microsoft is looking to boost Azure's capabilities and compete directly with Google Cloud and AWS. Their strategy includes integrating OpenAI's models into their services, offering businesses custom AI solutions. Satya Nadella, Microsoft's CEO, believes that cloud AI services are the key to future-proofing businesses. This could be a game changer for companies looking to harness AI without building in-house expertise. But can Microsoft's investment pay off in such a competitive market? I'll break down what this could mean for the future of cloud computing. As space becomes the final frontier for investment opportunities, companies are racing to capitalize on everything from satellite launches to space tourism. With big players like SpaceX and Blue Origin leading the charge, and startups finding niches in space tech, the space economy is now valued in the hundreds of billions. But is now the right time to invest? And how risky is it to bet on a spacefaring future? I'll explore the latest developments in the space industry and why some investors think it's a gold rush, while others urge caution. In the world of healthcare, AI tools are becoming essential for early diagnosis, personalized medicine, and even robotic surgeries. Hospitals are starting to rely on AI algorithms to detect diseases with higher accuracy than human doctors. This could revolutionize patient care, but it also raises ethical concerns about privacy and bias in medical AI. Big names like Google Health and IBM Watson are leading the charge, but startups are also making breakthroughs. I'll look at the latest innovations and discuss what this means for the future of medicine. Will we soon be seeing an AI doctor in every hospital? Lastly, governments around the world are scrambling to regulate AI. From Europe's AI Act to new regulations in the United States, there's a push to ensure AI development is safe and transparent. But critics argue that these regulations could stifle innovation, especially for small companies and startups. Is there a balance to be struck? And will these rules keep pace with rapid AI advancements? So, what do Tesla's robot bartenders and Microsoft's AI cloud services have in common? They're both redefining what technology can do, and how soon it might become a part of our daily lives. Whether it's robots helping us at home or stablecoins changing how businesses operate, these stories show a future that's as exciting as it is unpredictable. But the real question is, how ready are we for it? Are you ready to trust a robot to pour your drinks, or maybe even teach your kids? And will stablecoins reshape how you think about money? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. That's all for today's episode of Friday Tech Digest. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. We've got more stories lined up next time, from the latest in AI to the most disruptive innovations around the world. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the future.